Hello everybody, you are going to be doing an inquiry lab about unit rates today. And in this lab you will be asked to compare quantities using a bar diagram. So you are going to be drawing bar diagrams and breaking them up into their parts. If you look at the top of page 27, which is the beginning of your inquiry lab, you'll see a question. And the question is about a situation which involves rollerblading. So we have Jamila and Annika, and they were rollerblading. They skated 14 miles in 2 hours. If they skated at a constant rate, how many miles did they skate in 1 hour? So you need to take a look at what information do you know and what do you need to find. Well, what we know is that they skated 14 miles in 2 hours. If we needed to figure out how many miles they skated in 1 hour, we would then draw a bar diagram that represents the total amount that they skated. So we will start with a bar diagram. So you just go ahead and draw a line, right? So here's our bar. I know it's a little crooked, that's okay. And this entire bar represents 14 miles. Well, we know that this 14 miles is represented by a time of 2 hours. So I can then break my bar into 2 equal parts by drawing a line down the center. So this represents 1 hour, and this represents 1 hour. So then, now that we know that, we can then divide our 14 up here by 2, right, which is represented here. So each hour represents how many miles? 7. Okay, so they skated 7 miles in 1 hour. Now throughout the rest of your lab, you're going to be asked to do this. So if you flip the page, and on page 28, you're going to be asked to break up the bar into how many equal parts are required, and then to solve. So you're going to take your total number up here and divide by how many equal sections are in your bar.